Alchemical Wizard 13, Toxic Metabolism. Our metabolism transforms food into energy through numerous chemical reactions that mostly happen at a cellular level. Each of the trillions of cells in our biological body has a permeable membrane that enables it to take in nutrients and excrete waste. Cell membranes often become rigid, stringent, and hardened and cannot excrete toxins that were previously trapped within them. Most of the reason for the cell walls hardening is because of the acidity of toxic waste that is caused by eating too much acidic producing foods, environmental toxins, stress, traumas, negative emotions, and thought patterns. When these cells are not properly able to excrete the buildup of acidic and toxic waste, this affects their ability to produce energy. This is because the little structures within the cells, the mitochondria, become less efficient at producing energy or rather generating ADP, adenosine triphosphate. So as a result of this our biological body starts to deteriorate and has a hard time maintaining healthy functions in our organs and bodily systems. Okay. Here are some tools to consider, to help us reconstruct and energize our metabolisms. 1. Reduce your toxic load. Hormone-disrupting chemicals like non-organic foods that have been sprayed with pesticides and have glyphosate. Processed foods, modified corn, refined sugar, tap water, and shower water that have heavy metals, non-bio-cleaning chemicals, artificial air fresheners, constantly indoors where there is poor air circulation, etc. 2. Repair your gut microbiome. We covered that in Alchemical Wizard 9. 3. Rebuild your muscles. Do some body weight training or your favorite exercise program at the gym or at home. This includes yoga, bicycling, swimming, etc. And drinking a smoothie with your favorite protein powders so that you can get the amino acids your avatar, biological body, vessel, temple, needs. 4. Restore your liver and gallbladder. Incorporate more bitter foods into your diet like organic dandelion greens, kale, asparagus, radicchio, collards, red leaf lettuce, arugula, broccoli, cabbages, cauliflower, chards, artichoke, endive, watercress, and raw organic cacao. Take an herbal formula supplement as well that has some of these in it like milk thistle, wormwood, pau d'arco bark or black walnut hulls, barberry bark, dandelion, fennel and yellow dock. 5. Revise your fats. Cell membranes are made of fat. And to strengthen cell membranes and counter the resistance to many different hormones like insulin, it's vital to have the right kinds of fat intake. So we eliminate refined vegetable oils like corn and soybean, trans fats found in margarine and butter substitutes, and long-chain fatty acids like canola oil, peanut butter, borage oil, and mustard oil. Instead we eat fresh and organic olives, olive oil, avocados, avocado oil, coconut oil, almonds, almond butter, Brazil nuts, pistachios, hazelnuts, pine nuts, hemp seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and cold-pressed seed oils. Black currant oil if you can get it. 6. Re-establish assistance to your thyroid. Your thyroid acts as a metabolic thermostat. It releases hormones that play a major role in controlling your body's temperature and the rate that your body burns calories. If your thyroid's function is impaired, the metabolic rate slows down and leads to weight gain. Eat good carbs, like whole grains from amaranth, barley, buckwheat, couscous, millet, oats, quinoa, spelt, rye, brown rice, kamut, etc. and root vegetables and beans and legumes. Also, if you can get sea vegetables, they are extremely effective for improving metabolism. This is a food group that most people are unfamiliar with. There are many varieties including wakame, kombu, nori, arame, hijiki and dulse. Each one has its specific nutrient profile. They all increase metabolism of fat and sugar in the body and improve water metabolism. Sea vegetables are useful for weight loss, lowering cholesterol and fat in the blood, and are the best lymphatic cleansers. 7. Reboot your breathing. Practicing long, slow deep breathing can improve metabolism and overall health. This can be practiced anywhere anytime. 70% of your body's wastes are processed through the breath. Most people get 1/4 to 1/5 of the amount of oxygen to the lungs. That's a major oxygen deficit for cells that are trying to process food, release toxins, and provide energy for bodily functions, including metabolism. 8. Reactivate sweating. Need I say more? Sweat those toxins out and heat that metabolism up. So recalibrate your metabolism. Support your avatar. Keeping your biophysiology healthy is important if you want to have an easier time in this ascension process. Your chemical messengers like your neurotransmitters and neuropeptides will work more efficiently with less toxic disruption. Drink your structured, alkalized natural spring water. It's got H2NO in it. Blessing everyone. Stay hydrated. Travis Carper. November 1, 2018. Blog on 3decrees.org.